also. So this guy makes coffee powder that costs 250 kg with the coffee powder that costs 350 kg. So given that she sells, is it big enough to see?
20 kg, yeah.
Okay, she sells 20 kg of the mixture at 280 kg per kg, such that she does not make any profit or incur any loss. Find the mass for each type of coffee powder that she uses for the mixtures. Yeah. So this question is more than mathematics. So you have to understand what is going on here. Okay?
Okay.
So you have this 250 per kilogram coffee powder. Then you have this more better quality. That's why probably better quality. That's why it costs more. Okay, per kg. And now you mix these two together. Okay. You mix these together, so you get this mixture, right? And this mixture 20 kilogram. Okay.
Yeah.
And the person sells this mixture at 280 per kg. And by doing so, right, she does not make any profit or incur any loss. So basically, this is the selling 20 kg at $2.8 per kg. She does not make any profit or incur any loss. So what's the meaning of this? She get back the cost. Right? So she get back the cost. Right? So what's the cost?
2.8 times 20.
Yes. So the 2.8 times 20, that's going to give you 56. So this if you times together, I think you can use your calculator to double check for me. I think you should get $56.
So can I borrow your calculator? Thank you. $56.
So this $56, right, is paid to buy some 250 per kg powder and some 350 per kg powder. Okay?
Okay.
Right? So this is the first step. Okay?
Okay.
Then find the mass of each type of coffee powder that she uses for the mixture. Okay, so there are two parameters here that you need to use. One of them is the 56, which is the cost to buy these two, right? The other one is this mixture is 20 kg. So what it means? It means
both of
Yep.
the powder add up is
20 kg.
20 kg
Correct.
and
Correct.
$56.
Correct. So basically, right, you're supposed to have two equations. Okay? Right? And the first equation is, so if your this amount of powder is X kilogram, and your this amount of coffee powder is Y kilogram, the first equation you should get is X plus Y give you
X plus Y equals to
the mixture. And the mixture,
2.8 kg.
huh?
2.8 per kg.
Wait, I'm talking about this amount is x kg. This amount is y kg, and this amount is how many kg?
20.
Yes, so you need to kg plus kg gives you kg. That's why I highlight the two total parameters you have. Okay? So these two parameters, one of them is in terms of kg over here. Okay?
Yeah.
So the x kg plus the y kg will give you the 20 kg, right? So that's the first equation you have. And too bad my calculator does not allow you to use, my calculator is not powerful enough to solve simultaneous equation, but never mind, you can solve it manually later. So how do you get $56 then?
2.5 times x.
Very good.
2.5x and
This
3.5x.
2.5x will give you the cost, right? Then over here is 3.5y, right? And these two should add to $56. Very good. And your job is to solve this simultaneous equations. Okay? So can you copy this down first and see if you still remember how to solve these simultaneous equations. Make sure you copy correctly. X plus y is 20, and then okay, make sure you copy correctly first. X plus y is 20, and then 2.5x plus 3.5y is equal to 56.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Then time to solve these simultaneous equations. What's x?
I'm still finding y.
Oh, yeah. So you should
Y
at least.
is 6.
Oh, okay. Nice number. Okay, good. So you are saying y equals to 6, and then therefore x is
20.
14, right?
20 yeah, 14.
Yeah. So let me just double check for you. How to double check for you? Can you use 2.5 times 14 plus 3.5 times 6 and see if they give you 56?
They give me 56.
Okay, good. So that's how you get x equal to 14 and y equals to 6. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equation manually. So maybe your method is different from mine. So you just see which one is better. Okay, so in order to solve this, right, they call this the equation 1, equation 2. So I can actually transform my equation 1 into y equals to 20 minus x. How do I get y equals to 20 minus x from 1?
Because
I just move the x
to the back.
to the right hand side, right? So the x, I move it to the right hand side becomes minus x, right? Because I move it over, right? So can you not see I have the y here, and after that I just have to replace the y here with this thing, right?
Yeah.
And what I'm getting is 2.5x, right? Plus 3.5. So now the y is not y anymore, but 20
minus x.
Correct. Right? And then you just open the bracket. First arrow, second arrow, so 2.5x plus first arrow should give me 70, second arrow give me minus 3.5x, 56, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I need to move the plus 70 to the other side because numbers one side, then x and x the
Yeah,
other side, right?
mm.
And then this 2.5 minus the 3.5x is minus 1x. Okay? Yeah, you can use the calculator. 2.5 minus 3.5. So it should be minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1.
And then 56. Because I moved the plus 70 over, right?
It's 14.
It's minus 70, right?
Yeah.
So if you use your calculator,
14.
yeah, so it's negative 14. So how do you get x? You divide by negative 1 on the right hand side. And therefore you have to divide by negative 1 on the
Left hand side.
yeah.
Right hand side.
Yeah, right hand side in this case. So you get 14. So x is equal to 14. Therefore your y equals to 6. Okay? So this method is called substitution method because I sub in the y equals to this into the y. Okay? So that's how you solve simultaneous equations and how you can use simultaneous equations to solve practical questions. Alright?
Okay.